Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view purchase history on Etsy. If you want to check what you've bought on Etsy, then here is how you can access your purchase history to track your orders, download receipts, or view or review past purchases. First of all, launch open Etsy application on your device like you normally do and log in. Once you're logged in, go to the profile icon at the top right corner from the home page. In the expanded menu that appears on the screen, tap on Purchases. Inside the Purchases tabs, you'll see all of your purchases history. You'll see your orders, that is past or current, and you can tap on any purchase to see order details, tracking info, or download receipts. If you haven't made any purchase yet, this tab will be left blank like this. So that is how you can easily view your purchase history in Etsy application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.